Hello, Scratchers! Today it's me, JustAPotato, and today we are making ourselves My Singing Monsters Part 2. Okay. When okay, my alt didn't upgrade, so I have here inside. Okay, so here is a new one called Drumpler. This is Drumpler. We're gonna drag him into our backpack. So then we head back to our project. Alright, we will grab Drumpler. Okay, now we will save as a copy. Alright, make its copy. Name this one number number 2. So whatever mistake we make, we can come back to this. Okay? Now, ready to start? Alright. Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do in the Drumpler is what we're gonna do the same what we've done to Mammoth and Noggin. So I'm just gonna grab this breeding mode. Okay. We're going to put it onto the Drumpler. There. Okay. So we're going to replace the name Drumpler. Okay. Now. Now. Okay. We're going to broadcast place egg, then start breeding, then stop the script. Okay. Let's try it out. We're going to head to lists and bring in breed combination. Okay. All right. Click on this. Click on that. Then it will make a. Hold on. If length of breed combination equals 2, then we will have to click begin breeding. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to bring this guy here. When flag clicked, we're gonna hide him. Then set size to 55. Let's try. That's okay. Alright. Now we're going to head to the breeding structure. We're going to make some updates. Okay. Now we're going to do begin breeding. Okay. Going down here. When I receive start breeding, we are going to replace item 1 of rarities with 0. Okay. And then we're going to replace item 1 of results to 0. Okay. Now we are going to add another broadcast called detect result. Okay, put it there. Bam. Alright. We're gonna grab in an if else. Alright. Grab a equal sign symbol. Then grab results if item 1 of results, not just the results, equals empty, then we are, if item 1 of results equals 0, aka empty, then we're going to set breeding in progress to 0. Then we all delete all of breeding combination. All right, I'm gonna make some broadcasts. Failed breeding. Okay, put it there on the if. All right, then we're going to put in where's that say button? Say invalid combination for 2 seconds. All right. Now we're going to the else. What we're going to put in the else? Okay. We're going to put another if. Go to control. If, okay. If, where's that one? Monster contains breeding contains thing. Then we're going to put in item 1 of results. Then we're going to do this 3 more times. Grab an OR and then stick it in there. What we're going to put in the OR is we're going to put in another OR. Okay, another OR in there. Item 1 of results, or 2 item 2 of results. Actually, instead of using or, we will use an equal block. 1 and 2. Remove the or and put this in. Great. Now we're going to stick the code in here. There. Now we're going to go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds, but we're going to say here, you already have. So this is what it means if you already have the monster, if it's there. Okay, you already have item 1 of results. How are we going to do that? We're going to use the join block. Okay, join you already have, and copy the item 1 of results. Item 1 of results. Put it in. But we're going to add another one of this. Alright. Put the join you already have in the first, like this. Alright. Okay, then we're going to say click to breed again, or click away to stop. Put it in here. Then put it in the save for 2 seconds. But if you want to change the say, you can do here. Go to looks. Say hello. No 2 second thing. Great. Now we're going to grab two. Yep, two. Wait until. Duplicate that and put it there. Wait until mouse is down. But for the other one, it's going to be not mouse down. Okay? There. Now we're going to grab an if not touching mouse pointer, then we're going to do say absolute nothing, aka no words, just blank. Then we set breeding in progress to 0, delete all of breed combination, and broadcast the failed breeding. And then we stop this script. Not stop all, this script only. Alright, now we are going to make one, okay? We're going to use our username, okay? If not equals block, grab your username and make it into your name, your Scratch account name, like mine's will be just a potato 6589.
You say tayo na each one by one. Here, next time.
Okay. Then we are going to set breeding time to 0%. Okay. We have to show the variable breeding time also. Okay, then we will set breeding timer shown to 1, and then we will set a new variable called, we're going to make a new one, timer. Alright, timer, okay? Make it for all sprites. So we're going to set timer to 0. Okay. Now we are going to repeat 100 times. Okay. Change breeding time. We're going to change timer by 1 and then wait 0.1 second. Put it in here. Alright. Now we're going to add a set breeding time to grab a join block. Join timer and percent. There. Put it in. There we go. Hide the breed combination. Put these in. Remove the my variable because we're not using that. Okay, good. We have our breeding in progress works, but our timer does not work. We can do that by removing this one, and then we will try. Okay, let's try it again. This one. There. Now the timer will repeat itself until it hits 100. There. Alright. Put it back in. We always got to set the timer to 0. So go up all the way here. Sorry. Then set timer to 0. There. Now we go here, here, there. Once it hits 100, you already have click to breed again or click await. But we will grab this and put it on a when flag clicked. Now let's try it. If we don't have it. Hold on. Detect result. Alright, there. Bang. Boom. Okay. Detect results. When it said failed breeding, okay, then it will Alright. Since it doesn't work, we're going to put it in a when flag click. Okay. We're going to we're not gonna put forever, okay? Okay, nice. Now, we're going to do the nursery, okay? But first, we gotta make Drumpler's egg, okay? What does Drumpler's egg look like? Let us search it up. Drumpler egg. My singing monsters. Okay. Normal Drumpler is a red egg. Red egg. Okay, I'm gonna make the egg. You guys will make it. See you in a bit. Okay, I just made the Drumpler egg. Now let's head to the nursery and we'll start by there. Alright. This is the nursery, aka where the monsters hatch. It said we have nothing, pure nothing in this. But we're going to start coding right away. Okay, now we're going to make 3 to 4 variables. Okay, the first variable will be nursery time for the sprite. Okay, then egg in nursery question mark. We're gonna for the sprite only also. Then nursery time shown. Nursery for the sprite only. Okay. When flag clicked, set nursery time to nursery time shown to 0. We're going to hide variable nursery time. Okay. Then we're going to set egg in nursery to 0. Okay. Switch costume to costume 1 and let's get started. Let's start. Now let's get started. Yeah, maybe. Okay. We first have to do something in the breeding structure. Okay? Now, what we're going to do in the breeding structure. Okay. We're going to go down over here. To the if and else. Okay. When the timer is done, we're going to broadcast a new message. Breeding done! Broadcast breeding done. Then we will have to add wait. Where's that wait block? Wait until not mouse down. And then we will duplicate this, then put it below. Then we're going to remove this not and then put mouse down in it. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is wait until mouse down and touching mouse pointer. Okay, great. Now we're going to put repeat until oh, sorry guys, I've been bamboozled for what I've been doing. I was supposed to put egg in nursery for all sprites. Sorry everyone. Sorry, my special sorry scratchers. So let us fix it to all sprites. Alright? Alright, I just fixed it. Now let's head back to the breeding structure. Repeat until the egg in nursery equals 0. Then repeat until egg in nursery equals 0. Say, we have to say there's already an egg in your nursery. Alright, now we're going to copy the weight until and the other weight until, put them under the say there's already an egg in your nursery. Okay. Then we're going to put a weight until not mouse down. Then we set breeding in progress to 0. Delete all of breed combination. Replace item 2 with of results of with item 1 of results. Then we're going to double click, aka copy, then replace item 4 of rarities with item 3 of rarities. Connect these together and put them under of the delete combination. Then broadcast nursery. Okay, so we're going to head to the nursery, and so we're going to, when I receive nursery, then we are going to make a code, okay? Set egg in nursery to 1. There. If, okay, what we're going to put in the if? We're going to put if not equal sign, username is our username in Scratch. So just a potato 6589. Then we're going to set nursery time to 0%. Put it there. Then we're going to show variable of nursery time. Gonna remove these. Then set nursery time shown to 1. Set timer to 0. Okay. We are going to Sorry everyone, but we're going to end the video here today. So thank you all for watching Just a Potato Part 2, How to Make My Singing Monsters. Bye!